Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Angel's coffee tip. Look at that, it's starting to warm up outside, and just warm coffee, for me, just doesn't cut it anymore. So why not, just create this little martini looking thing, put it all together. Very easy, very simple. If you want to find out how to create it, make sure you stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's start this off by getting both of our shakers. Put in like 3 or 4 cubes. I'm gonna go with 3. We're gonna start off with 1 ounce of Creme of Cocoa. Damn, it's almost done. 1 ounce. Then we're gonna follow it off by Mr. Black. You can use any coffee liqueur you want, but this one does go very, very nicely with this drink. At least I think so. The sweetness and everything is pretty good on this. So 1 ounce of that. And then on the rocks, it's by itself. They're gonna follow it up by any cherry liqueur you want. I go with this one right here. So just half an ounce of this cherry liqueur. It's kind of strong. Ooh, but it smells good. After that, we're gonna shake. And after you got your condensation going on, separate it, get your strainer. Get your fine strainer over here too. That will strain that sucker. Ooh. Now, next step. You're gonna need about 1 ounce of cream. Try to float it on top as best as possible. So after you float that on top, you get one of your cherries. Make sure your spoon's clean, no cross contamination or anything of the sort. Then, gonna get a cherry. A good looking one, not that fucked up one. There you go, this one was pretty alright. That's gonna stain the table. There you go, guys. The Angel's coffee tip, or coffee Angel's tip, whatever way sounds better to you. That's what I made today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's any drink out there you want me to create, let me know in the comments down below. It's pretty nice, getting kind of warm out there. Not super, super warm, but nice to, refresh with this, you guys. So, if you like it, you should make it for yourself. Remember, this is Alejandro The Mixologist, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Wow.